Hey guys, it's Miss Duncan again. I am going to show you what to do if you accidentally create your document in the wrong place. So if you accidentally came here and you clicked New and then Google Doc and you typed all about me, it's okay. Hey, it's Miss Duncan again. I am going to show you what to do if you accidentally create your document in the wrong place and how to get it from your personal drive to the shared folder where it belongs. So if you were doing your All About Me and you accidentally just started here and selected New and then created a Google Doc, and so you probably went in, titled it All About Me, and then you went to typing, and then if you go to your folder, you'll see there's your share folder, there's week 1. This is where your document should be, and it's not there. So what do? Go back to your drive, click My Drive, find the document that you were working on, then up here on File, come down and select Move, and then you want to go back and go to Shared with Me. And then there's my folder with my name on it. So you're going to click that and yours will have your name. Then you want it to be in the week 1 folder. Now, if we were on week 6, then you would want to choose the week 6 folder. But we're on week 1, so I'm going to select week 1. And then I'm going to click Move Here. And then I click Move. Okay, and now when I go back to my drive and I go to Shared with Me, and you go to your folder, week 1, and then there it is, right there. And now you can see it, and then I can also see it in our shared drive. I hope this helps.